Hi guys, so on this trip we're taking Nessie to our homeland. We're heading up to Loch Ness, then we're going to go inland a bit to the Glen Affric pine forest, and we're hoping to get some nice autumn colours. But as you know, it's a hit and a miss with autumn colours, so we're keeping everything crossed that when we get there we get a nice riot of autumn colour. Good morning guys from the beautiful Glen Affric in the Highlands of Scotland. So yesterday we set off and drove along the bonny banks of Loch Lomond. Then up through the wilderness that is Rannoch Moor. And further on through the majesty that is Glencoe. And eventually took Nessie along the banks of Loch Ness before arriving here in Glen Affric. So we've just left the Glen Affric campsite and we've come for a walk to Dog Falls. coffee, and a traditional Scottish biscuit that's actually known as a Tunnock's tea cake, and they're absolutely delicious. So today we're walking part of the Affric Kintail Way. Glen Affric is one of the most beautiful places in Scotland. It's a classic landscape of lochs, mountains and a wonderful mix of pine, birch and oak trees. The woodland is an important haven for wildlife, so the whole glen is protected as a national nature reserve. The views on this walk are absolutely stunning. We've just come through the pine forest, we've got the mountains and the lovely colours in the trees. Beautiful. Hi guys, so a few of you through our social media platforms have asked us if we could feature some more videos of our van cooking. So tonight we're going to cook a chicken saag curry, and it's one of our simply cooked recipes. We particularly like these in the van, as we've said in previous videos, because you get 3 pots of flavour and it means you don't need to keep loads of spices and pastes and stuff in the van. So we're up here in the beautiful Highlands of Scotland at Glen Affric, and tonight I'll tell you a wee bit about cooking chicken saag curry. So Karen will tell you a bit about the simply cook process.
So once you start your subscription, you can order every week, every 2 weeks, every 4 weeks. We tend to go for every 4 weeks, but it's absolutely no problem to suspend your subscription if you don't want one, if that's too frequent. And each box comes with 4 recipes which you choose in advance. We particularly like the curry ones, and that's the one we're going to do tonight, the saag curry. So the only question fresh ingredients you need to make this curry is some diced chicken thigh, a bag of baby spinach and a chopped onion. Chicken and got two.
So we use boiling the bag rice when we're in the van because it's more convenient. So there we have it. Chicken saag curry, boiled rice and naan bread. Delicious.
That looks like a fried space and it doesn't.
It's a big boy. Well, that's it for this video, guys. We do hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, it would be appreciated if you could click the like button, subscribe and click the notification bell, as that helps our channel to grow on YouTube. I will leave a link in the description below to Simply Cook for anyone that's interested, and by using the link you will get a free box to try it for yourself. As always, live today like there could be no tomorrow. Thanks for watching.